Alright, in this short video I'm going to show you how to switch a SIM card. I'm talking about Sprint. I've got Android phones, and T-Mobile has bought out Sprint, as we all know, and T-Mobile is now sending out SIM cards to put in your Sprint phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I've been putting in SIM cards since handheld mobile came out in '93, so I'm very experienced in putting it in. So I'm going to show you. The first thing you want to do is go to sprint.com/sim, S-I-M. And they'll show you how to do it also. But I'm going to give you some pointers. I'm putting my feet on a plastic trash bag, guarding against static electricity. You don't want any pops to go into your phone because that can ruin a SIM card. And also I'm going to touch a metal thing. The best thing is touch a screw that's on your on-off switch, on your light switch. Okay, in the kit they give you a SIM removal tool, and on Android, on my Samsung S10, it's right on top. Now, because you put your hands on all this, it may be a little sticky, so you want to press this in, and it's the same way that you open a CD or DVD, and you press that in, and it may take a little elbow grease to get it out. Don't be afraid to pop it out, and out comes the SIM card holder with the SIM card in it. And you want to pay attention to what direction the SIM card is going in. And there's your SIM card. Now that's on the top, and you'll see there's a hole there where you stick this in. So, and I'll show you that when I put it back in. Okay, you want your phone to be on. Your phone should be on, because now you're going to take this SIM card out, and they say discard it, and you're going to put the new SIM card in. And I didn't see which way to do that. It doesn't matter, because the SIM card is only going to fit one way. So now I'm putting my SIM card in, and it's only going to fit one way, like I said. And I'm just turning it around. You see it? It can only go in one way. You put your SIM card in, and now you're going to put it back in, and you're going to press kind of firmly until it pops back in, and then your phone is going to notice that it has a new SIM card. And I'm going to get back in my phone. SIM card changed. Restart your phone to start using your new SIM card. Okay? Now, I'm going to restart. Now, while that's doing it, I'll do the other phone. Now, when you get this package, you want to take off that piece of tape, because when you pull this out, both sides come out. And you've got your SIM card removal tool and your SIM card. Now I'm going to do the Z flip. Now on the Z flip, it's on the side. This is Android also, but it's on the SIM card is on the side. And I'm going to pop that out. Maybe. And voila, it comes out. There's my old SIM card. And I'm going to put the new one in. And it has different sizes, but as you can see, mine is the smallest, and it goes right in. Again, it only goes in one way. It's only going to snap in the correct way. And you're going to put this back in. And press it in. And again, your phone. Now, before you do any of this, I should tell you, if you want your old voicemails, and it tells you in the instructions to go to your virtual voicemail, and if you already have it set up for auto export, it'll automatically have your old voicemails, but otherwise you can press a button to go to auto export of your voicemails. So that was the first step. So now I want to, it says SIM card changed, restart your phone. So now the phone is starting, and it should tell you that the SIM card, now it says turn the Wi-Fi off. And the activation should be complete. We'll see. But purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to put a SIM card in. So don't be scared of that. And so now it comes up T-Mobile. So it looks like we're good to go. And we'll see what changes that means. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. But that's pretty much it. So don't be scared to change your SIM card. You need to change it because, again, T-Mobile is now the parent company over Sprint.